Om Swastiastu! Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make Kangkung Tauco, a stir-fry morning glory cooked with salted fermented soybean paste. This is very famous vegetable dish from Indonesia and very umami, and as always best to serve with rice. So let's get started. So here I have morning glory or water spinach, or in Indonesia we call it kangkung. And later, I'm also using shallot, garlic, and two types of the different chilies. I'm using Bali hot pepper, the spicy one, and also big red chili. I prepared it earlier already. And here I have tauco, our main paste today. So this is salted fermented soybean paste. Some oyster sauce, vegetable oil, salt, and some fresh water. So let's make it. First, I'm going to fry the shallot. Add the oil. The oil is hot enough. Add the shallot. Add the garlic. So I cook it the shallot until soft. And also cook the garlic until soft before you add the chili and the chilies. The chili is soft, and now let's add the tauco along with oyster sauce. And some fresh water. Next is the morning glory. Stir it so all the kangkung cover with the sauce. This is really make my mouth watering. I already thinking about the rice company with this stir fry kangkung. Oh, yummy, yummy. So let's plate it. So I'm going to add red shallot and slice of big red chili for the garnish. At the end, I didn't add extra salt to the Kangkung Tauco because it's salty enough already. So here we are, Kangkung Tauco. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes. And also, I'm opening my cooking class in Bali. If you are in Bali and would like to join my cooking class, please drop me your email. I put my email address in the description below. And I will see you in my next video. Matur Suksma. Bye-bye.